Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how you can digitize a layer in Google Earth and import it in MapInfo. But before you do that, make sure that you subscribe and like my video so that the next time when I upload a video you get notified. So to georeference, to digitize a layer in MapInfo, for example, here I want to digitize a layer that will outline the Lake Victoria. So to do that, what you do, you come and add a new polygon, then you give it a name. Let's say Lake Victoria, and then you can choose the colors that you want. I want it to be, let's say, this color, which is blue, and you want it outlined instead of filled, and you can add the width of the boundary that you want to digitize, and then you can start at any point. I'll just digitize. It's always the best practice if you zoom, because you'll get your points better. But for this case I won't zoom, as I don't want, this is for the tutorial purpose and not for the use. So I'll just go quickly. Oh, something went wrong somewhere. Okay. Let's see. I'll continue. The thing is, if you click any of the points, then it will start digitizing from that point. So for example, by bad luck, if you click here and you see it is now digitizing from here, so I'll just pull it back and click on this one and then digitize from there, and then go quickly. And then after there you just click OK, and it will appear as one of the layers. You see Lake Victoria. If I uncheck this one, it will go. If I check that one, it comes up. And to export it to MapInfo, to import it into MapInfo, you need to save this. Save place as. I will navigate to the folder and make sure that save type is say KML, and I will save it in my interests, and I'll come Google, I'll come and save it MapInfo tutorials, tutorial 1, and I'll just save it as Lake Victoria.kml, and then click save. And after that, after saving that, I'll just open MapInfo, and I'll come to discover, and then I'll say import, and then I'll come to transform a vector file, and I'll navigate to where the file is. In this case it is in navigate to where the file is. Then in this case it is in interest. Quickly Google, YouTube, then tutorial 1, and you select KML, and then you want also to put I'll just leave the projection the way it is. I want to reproject the coordinates. I'll just go to the output file, I'll select save, and I'll save Lake Victoria Trans and save that one, and I'll say transform. Say Lake Victoria Trans has been created. Now I'll click OK. Yeah, there it goes. This is your file, but remember that it has opened a new window, but we wanted it to come here. There are two options. You can either close and reopen so that it comes straight here, or you can drag it. You can drag the layer to here. You see now it has come, and I can just double click to go to the properties and say let's say make it blue. I'll make it blue. Okay, well, maybe that one is too light. I'll say okay. See, we already have Lake Victoria as a layer. I can turn it on and off. You see, on and off, on and off. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Don't miss my next tutorial.